Hi everyone, this is Kathy Grosskirch with Bookkeeping Clean and Simple, and today I'm going to be talking about recording mileage in QuickBooks Online. And many of you probably are not aware that there is a mileage tracker in QuickBooks Online. And as you can see, I am in the mileage tab, and you can get to it from the expenses, bills, vendor, all that area. And on the very end, you can click on mileage, but you can also get to it from the left navigation. And I have it bookmarked under my bookmarks here. So if you click on that, that will take you to the same page. Now I am using the accountant's firm version of your books or my books. So if you are an end user using a regular subscription, your experience is going to look a little different, but your access point is going to be similar. So anyway, with that said, I'm going to close out this left navigation. Oops. And that's going to bring us to a little bit more screen real estate that we can look at. So right now it opens up in the unreviewed tab, but if you click on either business or personal, you can see the mileage that has been entered, and I've already taken a trip this year that I've recorded in here. So it's actually a round trip that I took. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on add trip so you can see how I did this. So I'm gonna go ahead and use to date as our default date. And you don't have to add the distance right now, because if you use a starting point and an ending point, it will calculate that for you. So let's say we're gonna go 930 North Atlantic Avenue, Daytona Beach. And then your endpoint will be, let's say, 461 South Nova Road, which is my doctor's office. Okay, so anyway, and then if you click right here for your business purpose, then you can actually, if it tries to remember what you did last time, so you can use that and edit it. So let's go ahead and do that. And I'm going to go ahead and just take out some of this information here and add in Jane Doe. And you can go over here and update this where it says Panera Bread and maybe say FHCP, which is the address here. And I'll correct that spelling error right there. And if you have more than one vehicle entered in here, then you can check which one. And if it's a round trip, then you can go ahead and click this button on, and enabling that will create 2 trip entries. So we're just going to go ahead and enter this, and then I'm going to show you how to edit it, and then we're going to go ahead and delete it out of here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on save. And notice how it adds it to the business area, because that's what you indicated. So, and if you want to keep track of personal stuff, you can. That gives you the option to do either one. But let's say you wanted to edit one of these. If you just wanted to edit the date, all you have to do is click on any one of these entries, and then you can go in here and click on the calendar and choose whichever date. Because sometimes if you enter it on the date that you are entering it, but not on the day you took the drive and forget to change it, you can go back and change it for both of those. Oops. So anyway, and you can also edit the purpose. So you can go in here and click on, you have to actually go up here and click on edit purpose. And then you can actually edit that business purpose in here, and then that will save that in here. And let's say you want to delete these out because we don't need them. I was just doing this to show you. So I'm going to click on both of those, click on the delete button. You're going to see where it says apply. And then when you do that, it's going to ask you if you are sure, which is good. And then click on yes, and that gets rid of those. So it leaves us back to where we were. So anyway, hopefully you have a chance to play around with this, and just notice that this is, if you're sitting at your computer and you want to enter this stuff in manually, that's how you would do it. And then the beauty behind this is that when you get to, say, like the end of the year and you want to create a sheet that you can download, you can actually go in here and do that. So you can download all of this and make sure that you have a spreadsheet that has all this stuff in here that you can, and I think you go over here, here we go, download trips. That's where you would go in there. You can also manage your vehicles, import trips, and manage your favorite locations and all that. So anyway, that's all I have. Y'all have a wonderful day. Take care. We will see you very soon, everybody.